Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make a DocuSign contract. So all you have to do is head over to DocuSign website and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in your dashboard, you should be able to see the start button. Just click on it. Just upload the file of your contract. Next is you have to add the name of the person or the recipient of the contract, and if they're the one that needs to sign or receives a copy or just view. From here, just customize the email subject. You can also add a message. Then once done, just click on next. You can add a signature just by dragging this. You can also add initial and stamp and date signed and a lot more. Then once done, just click on send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!